my handy dandy mailbox. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna bend these. And I will go ahead and hook this on. And that way it's really secure. It's not going anywhere. I've taken some of my silk flowers like this. What I did is I cut them apart. And then I have this steel picks machine. Push the lever forward and push down, and it puts this sharp steel pick onto your bloom, but that will keep it from getting pulled out. The alternative, if you don't have one, is to use a wood wired stick. Wrap that wire tightly around your stem and then a couple times around the wood stick. All of this greenery already has steel picks on them. So we're just going to start building this up with the greenery. Now we're going to start with the flowers. I have some bigger blooms. This is a pretty heavy duty wire, and I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm just going to bend it in half and slip it right through the holder on here. I'm going to put these right here in my pick machine and squeeze really tight. And now I've got that on there that's really going to hold. And we're going to put one of these on each side. I have just some little wooden dowels and a box of these glittery hearts. Take that and stick it right in. Now, same thing. I didn't put a pick on that, and it comes right out. So, same thing. Everything that I put in there, I'm either going to put a wood wired stick or a metal pick on, and that also is going to give me a little more height. Put a few more of these. Stick is kind of showing back here, so I'm just going to stick one more right under there. So, look how pretty. This is going to be the star of the street. All your friends are going to want this. I'm going to go out and put this on a mailbox and show you how pretty it looks on a mailbox. Alrighty? So I hope you like this project. I hope I'm driving around and I see all kinds of beautiful mailboxes decked out for Valentine's Day. Alrighty, thanks for watching.